What do these industries have in common? Vulnerability to shutdowns due to pipe leaks caused by corrosion or external damage. When a problem occurs, you need to fix it fast. Indamar has been solving pipe integrity issues since 1986. Our Stop-It pipe repair system provides superior leak sealing capabilities in a wide range of applications on pipes of various composition and diameter. The Stop-It pipe repair system includes a length of fiberglass knitted tape coated with urethane resin that is water activated and fast curing. The tape comes in 4 sizes, ranging from 2 inches by 4 feet to 4 inches by 25 feet in either black or white. Every Stop-It pipe repair system can be installed in under 5 minutes by one person with no special tools or hot work permits. Fully cured in 30 minutes, our reliable leak repair system can withstand pressures up to 400 pounds per square inch and sustain temperatures of 250 degrees Fahrenheit. The Stop-It pipe repair system works on pipe up to 36 inches in diameter. The system handles leaks on steel, copper, aluminum, galvanized, black iron, stainless steel, and a variety of industrial plastics. The repair system is chemically resistant to most acids, bases, and hydrocarbons, including petrochemicals. Installation for both active and non-active leaks begins with proper surface preparation. Remove all loose scale, pipe coating, and paint around the leak with 80 grit sandpaper, coarse file, rasp, or grinder until you see a bright metal like new finish. Use a suitable solvent or water-based degreaser to remove all loose debris and grease. For non-active leaks, fill a container with water, put on your gloves, remove the Fix Stix epoxy from its plastic bag. Knead Fix Stix until it is a uniform gray color. Apply Fix Stix to damaged areas, filling in holes, cracks, or offsets. Tear open foil pouch at notch. Remove roll. Submerge the roll in a container of water for 10 to 15 seconds. Give it at least 3 good squeezes. Wrap Stop-It around the repair as tightly and evenly as possible. Cover the full circumference, then, if necessary, begin a spiral wrap that covers half of the underlying wrap with each pass. When you get to the limit of the repair site, reverse the direction of the wrap and go back up the pipe. Repeat until the wrap is completely dispensed. Dispose of the plastic spool and compress the end of the wrap onto the sticky surface of the pipe. If additional rolls are required, apply over the end of the previous roll while the foam is still expanding. Wet gloves and begin to compress the wet expanding resins back into the fiberglass wrap by rapidly and firmly stroking the surface, always in the same direction that you wrapped. Keep your hands moving quickly and wet gloves frequently. When the wrap stops foaming, rub and polish thoroughly. Continue polishing until all foaming has stopped in 3 to 5 minutes. The repair should have a smooth, hard cap and ivory-like appearance. A successful application is now in place. Indamar is dedicated to providing cost-effective solutions for pipe leak repair, rehabilitation, and corrosion control to all industrial markets. We have decades of experience and a comprehensive line of products that meet all industry standards.